Okay guys, on this video we are going to be looking at launching a shirt using ViralStyle. In case you didn't know it by now, my name is Adrian Morrison and I'm going to guide you through this. I'm going to show you step by step how it's done with VS's Designer. So at the very top you'll see the Designer button, so you click that and it brings up their traditional designer. First thing they want you to do is just choose what type of shirt you want to market. So you've got your unisex cotton tee, premium, and men's polo. One thing I really like about them is they have polos, and there's a lot of cool design ideas that you can use for the polos, and that's why I use all three platforms, is because they don't all have the same thing. Hopefully some of them, the other ones will get men's polos, because I've sold a pretty good bit of those. So it's smart to diversify and use the pros of each individual platform. Okay, so anyways, sorry I got off that tangent. You want to come up here. I always do the basic shirt. What's cool about them is they have two different mock-ups. In other words, just two different pictures of what a model shirt would look like. That's a really cool feature that they have. We're going to select this one with base cost $5.64. They want you to go ahead and add what colors you want. I love the way that you select the colors. It's big, it's easy for you to see. They have a lot of different color options, so that's a huge plus for me. So select your main color, hit next, and they're going to ask you if you want to upload artwork or you just want to let them design some for you, which they'll do, which is pretty cool. But we're going to hit upload our own. Click to upload. We'll just go with the same thing from earlier. So front, open. Takes a second for the design to upload, but it's on here now. And now we've got a nice graphic that we can put on the front of the shirt, right? Looks good. And our base cost went up to $8.34. So that's expected because we've got a two-color design. The more colors in your design, the more expensive it's going to be. All right, next thing we can do is hit next. And it allows us to add our title and all that other good stuff. So Army Wife Tee, and put your description here. Okay, so you kind of catch that drift by now. Put your description there. You can choose the length at which you want the campaign to run, and even, which I think is really cool, the time of day you want it to end. I like for mine to end at midnight. So I do 12 a.m. So that's another cool little pro of ViralStyle. So then I hit next, and it's going to say, okay, well, what is your goal? Remember, I always use my goal start at 10, and because it doesn't really affect anything. I set my sales price at $24.99. Okay. And you see my profit per shirt, if I sell at least 10, it's $13 a shirt. Now here's where I could come in and I can add more colors. So just come here and start selecting the different colors that they have available. So very nice. Then down here they have where you can add more products. So if you want to add additional styles and all that, you can say, okay, well, hey, I want to do a hoodie. All right, so you add the hoodie, you change your price of the hoodie, so you might put it at 44 or 45.99, and there'll be, you'll see in the training, I'm going to give you the exact prices that I use personally for all the individual types of designs, so you'll get that information as well. You can come in here and you can choose the colors. And then you can add more products if you want to. You can come and say, hey, let's do a woman's cruise shirt. So you can add a pretty good bit of products, change the prices. go ahead and one great thing about ViralStyle is they have the ability to do upsells. ViralStyle and one or two other platforms will let you do that. So you could give them a discount. I find that a good 10% or so of people that buy a shirt will take the upsell. That means they'll buy the same design, but they'll buy 2 of them and they'll get $5 off the second one. You put in here, you put in the different URL that you want, your own custom URL, and agree to it. Boom, you can launch your campaign. So you go through here, same process, looks different than the other platforms. You can add as many products in here as you want. Colors, you can add the different colors. Really nice. All right, so that is launching a t-shirt on ViralStyle. And of course, once you launch it, you'll see it, your newly launched campaign on your dashboard, and then it's time to start marketing. Okay, so that's it, launching the shirt. Hopefully you understand how it's done. I recommend going through the platform and doing a little sample like I just did, playing with it, familiarizing yourself with it, and getting schooled on it a little bit before you actually go live. So do that, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the rest of the training.